today's recipe is another Thanksgiving classic. It's a homemade stuffing. This is one of my favorite Thanksgiving dishes, and it's mainly made with bakery bread, herbs, butter, and chicken stock. And this is so easy to make, and it tastes way better than the one you get in the box. So let's get started. You're gonna need 1 pound of bakery bread that's cubed and toasted at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes, 1 onion that's diced, 4 stalks of celery that's diced, 1 garlic clove that's minced, ½ cup of butter, 1½ teaspoon of poultry seasoning, ½ teaspoon of salt, and ½ teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley that's chopped, ½ teaspoon of dried thyme, and 1/4 teaspoon of dried rosemary, 2 eggs, and 2½ cups of chicken stock. Start by cooking the onions and the celery. So place a pan over medium heat, add in the butter, and melt it. Once the butter is melted, add in the diced onion, celery, and garlic and saute till the onions become translucent. Once the onions and celeries are cooked down, add in the poultry seasoning, salt, and pepper. Give this a stir and turn off the heat. In another bowl, add in the eggs and beat the eggs using a fork. Then pour in the chicken stock and stir to combine. Now set this aside. Now in a bowl of cubed and toasted bakery bread, I'm using French bread, add in the sauteed onions and celery. Then add in fresh parsley, dried thyme, and rosemary. Give this a mix. Then pour in the chicken stock and egg mixture. Combine to coat everything in the liquid mixture. Take a 13 x 9 inch baking dish and butter the pan to keep the stuffing from sticking to the pan. Add in the stuffing mixture and make sure to spread it out evenly in the baking dish. Cover with foil and bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. Then bake uncovered for 10 minutes. And the stuffing is ready to enjoy. This is definitely a go-to Thanksgiving side dish. If you enjoyed watching this recipe video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more delicious recipes. And don't forget to check out my previous recipes, and I'll see you all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!